Welcome to Loudest Minds Informative Tutorials. In this tutorial we will show you how to download Windows 11 ISO file on all devices like Windows, Android and iOS. Let's get started. First of all, let's start with Windows laptop. Open any internet browser you have and search for download Windows 11. Now click on the first link called Download Windows 11 Microsoft. You will redirect to the Download Windows 11 page as you can see here. Scroll down the page and see Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Then click on the Select Download field, then select Windows 11. Click on Download button. Again scroll down the page, you will see another heading as Select the Product Language. Click on the field and select your preferred language. I will go with English and click on Confirm button. Then, you will see a button called 64-bit download. Click on that button. Save the file on your device with Save button. Now, wait till the file has successfully downloaded, then close the browser and find the downloaded file. For me it's on my desktop. Right click on the file and click on Mount option to see the installation files of Windows 11. Now, let's see how we can download Windows 11 ISO file on other devices like Android and iOS. We recommend some specific browser for devices. You can use Google Chrome browser on both type of devices, but you can also choose Safari on Apple devices. First of all, tab on the available browser and search for Download Windows 11. Now tap on the first link called as Download Windows 11 as you can see here on the screen. This link will redirect you to official Microsoft Windows 11 download page as you can see here. Now scroll down and find heading called as Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Tap on the field called Select Download and select Windows 11. Then tap on the download button which is available just below the field. Scroll down and find Select Product Language. Tap on the field and select your language. I will go with English but you can choose any. Then tap on the Confirm button. Again scroll down and find Windows 11. Then tap on the button called 64-bit download to start the download. You can see file is downloading. This method will work with both type of devices. Like the video and share to your friends who need the information. Subscribe this channel for more informative tutorials like this. You can also suggest the required tutorials in the comment section. Thank you so much.